her husband, and all present watched her with pride. An impressive naval ceremony was recently held at Malta. The occasion was Princess Elizabeth's last important public appearance there before concluding her 4th visit to the island. The Princess with the Duke was attended by Admiral Sir John Eddleston, C&C, Mediterranean Station. After the inspection, Her Royal Highness presented the new King's colour to the station. Lieutenant Stewart of HMS Chequers, formerly commanded by the Duke, received it. The ceremony ended with a march past by over 2,000 officers and ratings. The day of the budget